Hey everyone, I'm Bill.
And I'm Bogna.
And we're with Calimoto TV. Welcome back to the channel. We are on another adventure on our 2020 BMW S1000RR. And Bogna will be on her 2018 MT-09. We're heading over to Vacaville to a Cars and Coffee event to kind of take a look around there. So we are already suited up. We're getting ready to head over there. So come and join us today with just a fun day of looking at cars, bikes, and then later today we are going to be doing a nice video on a ride up in Calistoga. So stay tuned. Let's get on the bikes and let's get out there.
Oh Jesus. Welcome to the club.
Ready?
Yep, let's roll.
Man, that bike is loud.
Yeah. Man, this bike is uncomfortable. Hang on. I don't have turning like the trusty MT.
I love that thing.
Oh boy, babe. This fucking cinder block that I'm sitting on right now. So, let's head on out of here. So as you guys see, I have gone ahead and hooked up my navigation today. So this will be the first time I've ever ridden a motorcycle with navigation. So this is hooked up to my phone. I downloaded the BMW app, and then you hook up the phone with the app, and well, there you go. So you'll see it's got a suggested speed up there, and which is kind of nice.
How often are you going to listen to that?
Yeah, I said suggested.
Oh shit, hold on. I'm learning how to ride. There we go. Guess what I just did?
Neutral?
No, I put it in my 6th gear and tried riding off.
Oh, sweet.
Test rides, messing with my flow.
Yep. So this is kind of cool. The navigation system's kind of cool. So let's talk about that real quick because I've not used it yet. So as you can see, we have taped up our speed limit. But we've got over here, you'll see that they give you a distance to your next turn, which is kind of nice. So it's saying we got 200 feet, 150 feet, 100 feet, 50 feet, and we should be turning right on West A Street. Perfect. And then we go back. Oh, that's kind of really cool. So it goes back to the normal gauge cluster when you're just riding along, and then it gives you the warning, so the screens change. So that's very, very cool. So basically, if you're cruising along on the highway and it knows you're going to be on the highway for 5 miles, there's no use in looking at the navigation screen. You can simply, it switches you over to the main screen, and then when it says, hey, up in 800 feet, 600 feet, 500 feet, 400 feet, we're going to be taking a right here and getting on the freeway. That thing is just ridiculous.
Which thing?
Your thing.
Why? It's kind of angry today. I think it's because it's a little cooler this morning.
Ah, fresh air. So, we haven't gotten the warning light of death yet, and I do want to check it because if you guys watched this morning's video about the instrument cluster, I didn't turn it off correctly. I actually turned it on. It's weird how it states on or off or whatever. So let's go into menu down, and we're going to scroll over to my vehicle. And I did bump up the PSI pressure, and so we've got better PSI pressure now. So we've got 31.8 in the rear. We've warmed up. plus we've got 32 in the front. So these are Race Tech tires. They do tend to take a little bit more to get heated up. So someone commented on my first video that I was running way too low tire pressures. I usually run Power RSs, which heat up much faster, and they do get a couple PSI change in it. These are Race Techs, they don't. So yeah. But anyways, let's go ahead and stay on the road. Let's get over to Vacaville, avoid this traffic. We'll cut you out the boring stuff, and we'll see you in just a few. All right, everybody, we're back here in Vacaville. We're heading down to downtown Vacaville. So this Cars and Coffee, they do it once a month. I think it's the third Sunday of every month. So let's see what it brings us.
Have you ever been to this one?
You know, I've been to this one once. I came down when I had the Death Trap slingshot before that thing burned to the ground. And I'm not joking. If you guys haven't seen the video, yes, my Polaris slingshot burned to the ground. No joke. Side of the freeway to the frame.
Did you make freeway s'mores?
Freeway s'more. There's still some more remnants out there right now on Highway 80 in Cordelia.
That's cute, babe.
Yeah, you just wait. So we're heading over here to Pure Grain Bakery. I believe it's right here on the right. Up, nope, up a little bit more. We're gonna be right behind here. There's some cars. Oh, nice Supra. Nice Porsche over here. Oh, yeah. All right. Well, nope.
I've never been down here yet.
No?
No.
It's not much, but... All right. So we're heading to... We'll head into the Cars and Coffee. So let's take a look around.
What's the motorcycle equivalent of popping the hood? Do I just take off my grill cowl? Just
The
take
what?
off-
Oh, pop the hood, yeah.
Do I just take off my seat?
Yeah, right. All right, let's go find the other motorcycle guys.
There's
Let's see.
like a couple cruisers.
Oh, we've got a couple bikes over there.
Did
got a
we bring
couple.
some $100 bills?
I forgot $100 bills.
Oh.
So if anybody knows what's going on right now, I don't know if anybody knows what's happening.
I don't know, but we're being looked at.
Someone is looking at us. So I think we're gonna park right here, babe.
Okay. Do I have to back in my motorcycle?
Yeah.
I love doing that.
Let's try not to wreck the Mercedes over here. And I found a function, if you guys haven't seen it, and I'm going to utilize my function today because I think it's rad. So the function that we are utilizing is our rad running lights. God, that thing is just beautiful, babe. Old Cadillac DeVille. All right, guys, well, we're going to switch over to our handheld and take a look around this place.
All right, everyone, so we are here in Vacaville. I just actually talked to the organizer. He remembered me from a couple years ago, so it's kind of funny. But of course, in fashion, I pull up on the S1000 and the looks. And as I said in the video, I was like, I don't know if people understand. People understood. So we've been talking to people the last few minutes, but let's take a look around and see some of these cars. Some of the cars are, this S2000 actually is leaving this bagged S2000. It's kind of sweet looking. So let's flip it around and take a look at this thing real quick.
pretty clean. Going up? Let's go up. All right. Very clean. Woo. Oh, all the way down. Way down. Very clean.
I like
Got
the
some nice Integra, nice little artwork.
RS6.
Ooh.
Ooh, did you get the hood?
Yeah, that's super cool.
I've been in shade for like.
We gotta get on the BOZ build, babe.
You gotta get the build. It ain't the cleanest, but that thing is. I always love that car. Oh shit! What? This has got a supercharger on it. It's got a Whipple charger.
Huh? Look at the freaking.
Yeah. You think you keep it a little more clean, but just me. Yeah, that's probably got 600-700 horsepower. Just wipe it off.
Dust it off.
Oh, so he's done a pulley mod, so he puts a smaller pulley on, so it turns the supercharger faster.
Ah.
Gets more. Sick wing, bro.
Wings, plural, baby.
Wings.
I like that one.
We got to go to a proper Cars and Coffee. I mean, not that we're not proper, but
It's Father's Day, so it's kind of tough.
yeah. All right, guys. Well, we are heading back out. Where are we going? We're going to Calistoga right now.
Food.
Get some breakfast.
Do you think they have the coconut, pineapple deliciousness?
They had some pretty good stuff. But anyways, thanks for watching today's little video. Nothing major, but hopefully we'll come out to some more Cars and Coffee soon. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for hitting that subscribe button, smash that like button, and leave me a comment down below. Till next video.
Bye bye.